What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you something very different. Lots of British guys keep messaging me, asking me what's football like in Russia. They've heard stories on British media about hooligans, about fighting, about violence, and they want me to show them whether that's true or not. So last week I went to the biggest game in Moscow, Spartak against CSKA. Historically, the biggest, the most successful teams in Moscow, and of course twice a year they play each other, once in Spartak Stadium and once in CSKA Stadium. The first game of this season they played together was in Spartak Stadium. Last week I went and I took lots of videos. I'm going to show you the atmosphere with no commentary so you can feel what it's like to be there. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go.
Вове, блядь, звонил. Дочка родилась, блядь, мне надо коляску покупать.
Ребята съедали прямо через парк. Вы помогаете своей команде
The game's finished here in Moscow. It finished Spartak 2, CSKA 1, the home team being victorious for the first main Moscow derby of the 2019-2020 season. What a great atmosphere, what a great experience, what a great spectacle just to be in the stadium to watch the two biggest teams in Moscow battling out for the first time of this new season. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe to my channel. It's completely different to what I normally do, of course. I've never talked about football before on this channel, but it is my other love, apart from exploring all these different Russian cities. So if you liked it or you didn't like it, I'd also really appreciate a comment, some feedback, so I know whether I should do this again or not. Thank you very much, guys, for getting to the end of this video. See you again another time, probably in a different city to Moscow. Goodbye.